Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week I painted up the Queen from Faded Sun set from Cyberforge. She was black and white zenithally primed. I get started with hull red to get some of her clothing and the cape base coated. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I started to bring up the red with Scarlet red, just leaving that darker tone in the recesses and anywhere there would be shadow. To finish off the red, I grabbed Vermillion and went over the edges and anywhere that would get hit by the light the most. The remaining clothing parts now get base coated with Cold Corpse Blue. Getting the mid-tone for the grey done now, I used Wolf Grey and went over pretty much everything, just leaving that darker tone where there would be shadow. For the final highlight on the grey, I went over the uppermost parts with Gravestone Blue. Now that the bulk of the clothing is finished, I used Druid Flesh to get all of the skin base coated. The highlight for the skin is done with Paladin Flesh. Getting the tiles on the base started, I went over them with rock grey as the first coat. Dotting in her eyes and adding some variation to the tiles, I used Grimy grey. Now for all of the leather straps and belts around her, these will get base coated with British Khaki, along with the dirt on the base. Getting some variation into the leather parts now, I added a highlight with golden brown. To add in the base rim and base coat her hair, I used Vallejo's black. I wanted some variation in her hair to make it not look so flat, so I grabbed dark sea green and basically just gave it a dry brush to bring up the tips. Moving on to the metal parts, the sword blade and a couple of the details I want silver get done with plate armour. Since she is royalty, there has to be some sort of gold on her, so the remaining metal parts all get done with dragon's gold. To wash the mini, I used the light tone wash over the gold, leather and the base. I did go over the skin as well, but it doesn't really make too much of a difference on dark skin, so you kind of just can leave this out. And that will be it for the Queen. I have no idea what Faded Suns is, but this mini looks cool, so I'm glad I printed and painted her up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.